In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a new Cash App card if you lost yours. Step 1, you just have to launch your Cash App application. And then step 2, you have to click this card option here that is next to dollar money. Step 3, you have to scroll down and look for design a new card that is next to cash card support. That is 1. And then step 4, what you're going to do is to simply personalize your card here. So that's the good thing about ordering a Cash App card. You can personalize your own Cash App card. And then step 5, after you choose the best card for you, after you personalize everything, what you're going to do here is to simply add your address. Okay, so step 6. Cash App will ask you how would you like your card shipped. You can choose standard free or the second one here. And step 7. So after you personalize your card, you choose your style and then you enter your address. What you're going to do here is to simply wait for your card to arrive as it is shown here that your card is now confirmed. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.